Blackstone Library, and I'm with
Miss Mary. Hi.
And we're here to show you what our first take and make will be, which is actually a slingshot. So when you come to pick up your bags for grab and go, this is what it looks like, and Miss Mary is going to take all the contents out to show you what you'll get.
You're going to get a little container of marshmallows.
Those look yummy.
And you're going to get a group of sticks. And a spoon. And some elastics.
Perfect. So I'm going to show Miss Mary how to make her slingshot from the items taken from the bag. Step 1, take apart your popsicle sticks.
It's gonna be fun.
It is. And now I need you to count 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What you're going to do is you're going to make something similar to this. You're going to take an elastic and put together your sticks on one end. And once that's complete, you're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side.
Make sure they're nice and even. Because you want to flip them marshmallows.
Certainly.
And if you can catch one, you can eat it.
7 sticks. You should have 2 left. Do you have 2 left?
2.
Perfect. So what you're going to do here, I know we're looking ahead, is just take one more rubber band and only do one end.
We got it together.
First time you did both, now you're just going to do one. And nice and tight, Miss Mary. Good job.
Whoops. There we go.
That looks excellent. Next, we need our slinger. So we're going to take our spoon.
Here's your spoon.
And you're going to put it on one end. Flip it over. There you go. You're going to put it on one set of the sticks, not both.
Okay, and you're going to, so you have to kind of move it out,
You
see?
need to split it kind of in
A little,
half, I guess. I don't know.
like this, like a V. And you're going to put it like this.
And then you're going to add a rubber band to your spoon.
Oh,
Just
yours.
on one of the sticks. You are correct.
I want to make sure it's good so you can get a good swing. Whoops, not on the second one.
This is the tricky part.
Yeah, wait a minute.
You got it.
No,
Oh, it's crooked?
it went around the neck. Wait a minute. My stick got in the way. So if it gets in the way, you just move it. That's all. It's not as
I had to
easy
do
as
it a
doing
couple
the
times,
sticks.
to be honest with you.
Yeah, well, it's not easy to get the stick. So don't get frustrated. Just do it again. Okay, I think that's good.
That looks excellent. Looks just like mine. So now, you have your 7 set of sticks.
Oh,
You
but
have
Miss
yours?
Carly, my stick is in the front. Yours is in the back.
Oh.
So so I have to take this apart. This might happen to you. Okay, so the stick has this has to go. How did that happen?
I don't know.
I did a V, and I put my stick here. But when I did it, this goes in the front. Where does yours go?
So put it this way. There you go.
Put it that way.
There you
That's
go.
gonna come this way. Okay. Oh, got it. See, just in case you make a mistake, it's okay.
So now you're gonna take your big 7 and you're gonna open up kind of like a duck's mouth.
Okay.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack. Just like that.
Just like that, and you're gonna put your big 7 as far down as you can.
Oh, look
yeah.
at that. Now we're gonna flip.
And I tried it both ways, I'll tell you, Miss Mary. You could do it this way, but to get a little more momentum. Yeah, push it out a little bit more. Okay,
But
now
you kind of have, you have to hold it though.
correct. You're gonna hold it.
So you're not gonna just let it go. You're gonna
No.
hold it.
You gotta hold it in place. So now, open up the marshmallows.
Now you open up. No, don't eat them yet. And you have to share with your partner.
All right, ready?
Oh, you're gonna go
I'm
first?
gonna do a demo.
Okay.
Oh. You put your marshmallow in and you flip.
How did you flip?
I went
You
flying
flipped?
high.
How did you flip?
Flip this way. they go. Hold it.
Oh, I'm flipping your hand.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Let's see if you got me.
Here we go, if I'm gonna get it.
Woo! So, as you can see, we have a lot of trajectory. There we go. That was a good one. You can go back and forth. You can try other things. You could do like little golf balls, maybe ping pong balls, anything, and see how far they go.
Well, this is fun.
But we hope
See if
you
you
enjoy.
can catch one.
Oh, I'll try.
Up, almost. One more. Try it again.